Today, we are demonstrating how to use Peel Away 1 paint remover. Peel Away 1 is a heavy-duty paint remover ideal for eliminating multiple layers of oil, alkyd, and lead-based paints and coatings, usually in a single application. The older the paint, the better it performs. Peel Away 1's spackle-like consistency allows for it to be used on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. This consistency also eliminates the dangers of airborne dust. Peel Away 1 is a complete paint removal system with everything you need under the lid. Before you begin, perform a small test to make sure that Peel Away 1 is compatible with your coating and surface. To apply Peel Away 1, use a scraper to apply it directly to the surface. Apply a thick enough coat so that you can no longer see the color of the surface beneath. Apply Peel Away 1 in manageable sections. Once coated, use the provided Dumond Laminated Paper to cover it, smoothing out any air bubbles. The paper will keep Peel Away 1 in a wet state so that it works longer without prematurely drying. Once you have completed application, it is now time to wait. Dwell time can vary from 15 minutes up to 24 hours. Periodically, check to see if you are ready to remove by lifting a small section of paper to see if the layers come off the surface easily. Once this happens, it is time to remove. Do not remove all the paper at once. Work in sections so that the remaining remover stays in a wet state. Use the scraper to remove layers, capturing the waste in the laminated paper. Once you remove the layers of paint, there will be a residue left behind. Spray the surface with water and using a scouring pad or nylon brush, remove the excess residue. For larger outdoor projects, power washers can be used. Peel Away 1 may darken some wood surfaces. Once the entire surface has been removed and cleaned, it is time to neutralize. Peel Away 1 is an alkaline stripper that raises pH levels of the surface when used. Getting the surface back to normal pH range is crucial for future paint adhesion. Use the provided citralized pH neutralizer found under the lid by mixing the contents with water. Spray the mixture liberally onto the surface and allow for 24 to 48 hours for the surface to completely dry. Next, use the included pH test kit to determine the surface pH. Alkalinity levels should fall between 6 and 8, and moisture levels should be below 12% before recoating. Once you have completed the neutralization step, your surface is ready for recoating. Peel Away 1 paint remover. Older paints are no match for heavy-duty performance.